Hey health enthusiasts, ready to say goodbye to carbs and sugar? Let's dive into the top 8 healthiest foods that'll keep you energized and feeling great. First up, we've got avocados. These creamy delights are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients. Perfect for your morning toast or a midday snack. Next, let's talk about salmon. This fatty fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are fantastic for your heart and brain. Plus, it's a great source of high-quality protein. Number 3, spinach. This leafy green is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's super versatile. Toss it in a salad, blend it in a smoothie, or saute it as a side. Up next, we have eggs. These little protein powerhouses are incredibly versatile and can be part of any meal. Don't fear the yolk, it's where most of the nutrients are. Fifth on the list, Greek yogurt. It's thick, creamy, and packed with probiotics that support gut health. Opt for the plain, full-fat version to avoid added sugars. Now, let's not forget about nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and Brazil nuts are excellent choices. They're rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them perfect for snacking. Number 7, blueberries. These tiny berries are bursting with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. They're great on their own, in smoothies, or as a topping for Greek yogurt. Last but not least, sweet potatoes. They're a fantastic source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber with a natural sweetness that satisfies those carb cravings. Bake them, mash them, or add them to your favorite dishes. So there you have it, folks. Ditch the carbs and sugar and embrace these super healthy foods. Your body will thank you. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Stay healthy, my friends.